Hi friends, Shelly Campbell here with Smooth Winds Travel. Come along with me as we tour Disney's Beach Club Resort. Hello and welcome as we walk around Walt Disney World's Beach Club Resort. We are here at the entrance, and I'm going to apologize now. I'm using a different camera than normal, so it's a little shakier than usual. So please bear with me on this, but we are at the Beach Club Resort. I think it's my favorite deluxe resort on the Disney property. You walk in and you are just hit with the most wonderful smell. You've got the, of course, beautiful lobby here. You've got check-in. This is also a DVC resort, so you've got the 1-bedroom, 2 bedrooms here. Some great options, resort views. You can see the fireworks from EPCOT. So we've got the check-in desk. We've got a small little kids area with a TV that the kids can sit around and watch. We've got Cape May Cafe, which we'll check out here in just a little bit. Walking distance to EPCOT. We've got our character tourist here at the resort. There are pretty much all the resorts, so a great little fun addition. Really unique. Check out the seahorses, so keeping with that kind of beach theme. Beautiful refurbished pool we'll see in a little bit. All entrances in a deluxe resort are inside. Of course, here you do have to walk outside, but it is covered a little bit to get over to the DVC area. You've got your DVC kiosk, where if you want to learn more about that, you can. Your elevators, your ATMs, and of course, the best thing, the fuel rod, portable chargers. And then they have their little souvenir store and quick service are here together. So you've got, of course, your souvenirs, your DVC staff, your regular park staff, and then your quick service options. And then you've got a bunch of different tables, sit-down options here too. Of course, I don't show it in the video, but it is here, beaches and cream for the best sundaes and hamburgers. You don't want to miss that. Here is your door exit out to DVC, to those towers, and then there is a small little seating area. If you have your quick service meal for breakfast or whatnot, you can eat there under some covered area and some great tables and chairs to really enjoy the beautiful weather outside. Here we are going to see kind of the map of the resort and then some of the dining options that you have at both the beach club and just a short little walking distance over to the yacht club, which kind of is that sister resort to the beach club. Sometimes they will share a bus on the slow times, so that just know that. Here is Cape May Cafe. In the mornings, they will have breakfast with the characters. It's usually Daisy and Donald for sure, and then maybe Minnie, Mickey, Pluto, Goofy, one of those will be there, but definitely always Donald and Daisy. Quickly before we head outside, here are 2 pictures of the resort rooms. Headed outside for the beautiful grounds here at Beach Club. As you can see, Beach Club is the blue resort on the line. Yacht Club is green. Across the way is Boardwalk Resort. So just really, and you can walk straight over to the Skyliner to head over to Hollywood Studios. You can go into the back entrance of EPCOT. Here we've got the brand new refurbished Stormalong Bay, lazy river, and the sand beaches and the sand bottom of that. So that's what really makes that pool really desirable, so to speak. One of the best, I think, on Disney property. And then we've got the shipwreck slide. The only thing I don't like about that is you do have to leave that pool, walk across the walkway and over to that shipwreck. So if you do have little kids, you do want to make sure that you kind of keep an eye on them. Here is the beach front where they have some activities, movie under the stars. I love, they've got the chair set up so in the evening you can come watch that. They also have the boats. If you don't want to take the Skyliner over to Hollywood Studios, you can take the boat. You can even take the boat straight over into EPCOT if you don't want to do the short 5-minute walk. Really easy to get around. There is boardwalk. So I just love Beach Club. It is my favorite Deluxe. So much to do around here. Such a great resort to do if you do a day off, to have that pool, walk over to the boardwalk, some great restaurants. So if this looks like it might be a resort you'd like to stay at, please reach out to one of our Smooth Winds travel agents, and they will help create that ideal vacation, listening to what all of your wants and desires and making sure they get you in that right resort. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications.